Welcome back, and it's time now for the business day. Kingston Properties says it is strengthening its position in the real estate market locally, reporting continued growth in revenue, occupancy, and overall portfolio performance. The company says its Q1 results reflect a strategy built around disciplined investment, even as businesses continue to navigate a challenging global economic environment. Deirdre Thomas has this report.
In real estate, success is not only about owning property. It's about generating consistent returns for those investments. And Kingston Properties says its latest results show that its strategy is delivering.
Our rental income would have grown by about 31% quarter over quarter, year over year, last year. And our net operating income would have grown by about 50.9%. That's to 1.26 year over year. And importantly, this is all recurring income. There's no fair value gains, no gains from disposal. This is recurring income of the business.
The company recently released its first quarter result for 2026, reporting continued growth after several years of expansion. As at March 2026, Kingston Properties says occupancy across its portfolio stood at approximately 98%.
Another key feature would have been our funds from operation that grew by about 23.6% year over year, where that again shows that the business is set up to generate cash and to put us in a position to do dividend payments as we go forward. Our asset base that remains strong, we're at $98 million at March, and investment property of that was about almost $91 million. Our cash balance was at about 4.3, and our total equity was about $55.63 million at the end of Q1.
But that performance came during a period marked by increased global uncertainty.
Elevated interest rates, persistent and continuing, I might add, inflation. Just had some inflation numbers released yesterday or the day before, highest in 3 years in our big US market. Geopolitical uncertainty, I think, is being charitable.
Looking ahead, the company says the focus will be on what it calls disciplined acceleration, continuing to expand while carefully selecting opportunities.
We will continue to seek high quality income producing assets, protect the balance sheet as the chairman described, and convert growth into sustainable shareholder value.
Deirdre Thomas, TVJ News.
Thanks, Deirdre. To some stocks news now. The JSE index declined by 1,666 points today, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 11 points. The winners include Cygnus Credit Investments 10.5% preference shares, Mayberry Group 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Palace Amusement, and ISB Finance Services. On the loser side, they include G West Corporation Ordinary Shares, Epley Limited 7.25%, One-on-One Educational Services, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Salada Foods Jamaica. 21 stocks traded firm. To some foreign exchange news now. At the end of foreign exchange trading, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $158.62. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $113.32. The pound is going for $212.46, while the euro is selling for an average $187.27. That's where we have to leave it for business this evening, but news from overseas when we return.